Alright guys, took a trade today. Break even, nothing crazy. Was almost able to take a win, but didn't. In hindsight, um, definitely moved more than 50% of the tradable range, so I probably should have taken partials, but it is what it is, you know. Starting the year off pretty okay. Um, I guess technically it's a 100% win rate. Um, because I haven't lost for the year, but it is a break even trade today. So let's kind of run through it. Let's start on the hour. Okay. So our what do we have, right? Overnight session we really expanded, and we can see from 8 o'clock we were pushing hard bullish, and we actually came to, in my opinion, what would have been the target for the day, and what really I was looking to target for the day, which was these highs. Sorry, cutting down to a 5 minute. What are we looking at? We see from 8 o'clock we just expand all the way up. That's pretty much the volume for the day, if I'm being honest. Um, so more than likely, nothing else is gonna happen after that. And I was really looking for a different type of play. I was looking for longs once we take some form of liquidity, um, but not to take the highs. Kind of to come back into this order block, but really and truly 50% of the H1 wick. So let me kind of describe my thought process when I was going through. So, as some of y'all know, I don't trade till 9:45, so let me just throw that on here. 45, boom. Oh, 43, 45, right. So I'm not trading until this candle starts to print. So what can I see once this candle prints? Well, I see that we have equal lows. I see that we have swept liquidity, swept these lows. Really, truly, these are equal lows, if I'm being honest. This pulls all the way across. Pulls all the way across like so. So you can see these are equal lows pretty much, and yeah, those got swept. But I'm really looking at this low right here. So sweep people lows. What do we have? We have an inverse FEG. To be honest, this is the inverse FEG that I love the most, where we push lower, we get some form of a doji, and then we immediately come right back out of it. Oh my goodness. I tend to leverage up quite a bit on those ones. Right. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade there. Not the trade. That's the idea. Came into the inverse. We closed above the inverse. I'm pretty sure I got in. Let's see where I got in. 1 second. Yeah, a little bit higher. I got in around here. Cover the inverse. Now for my target. All right. I had two targets. Technically, every trade has three targets. So this was my break-even point. This one here. This is my break-even point. I should really make a BE thing now. But you know what? Let me do that now. BE. And let me save as BE. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's my break-even point. So obviously you can see we came in, or break-even. This was my 50% point here. Alright, as you can see, we did not quite get there. So let me just change this to 50%. Make that a template. Cool. Alright, so we didn't come up here, so I didn't take any profit. And lastly, my overall target, was 50% of our H1 wick. Mainly because I didn't really think price was gonna come above here. Oh, that's a little ugly. This is a little ugly. Right. So yeah, that is my target on the 1 minute. Let's do that. Right. So this is my target here. Um, and as you can see, price came up. I got in, came back into down draw a little bit, pushed out. Looks like we're pushing really strong. And I was like, all right, cool. You know, should be able to come up here. But as you can see, yeah, that wasn't the case, and we just came back down and tapped me out break even. Um, but what I was saying before is that 50% of the range, it tends to be where I like to go break even. Not break even, sorry. Take some form of partial. And as you can see, we clearly passed that, but hindsight 2020 and whatnot. Um, yeah, that was a trade idea. So break even on the day, and I think I'm up overall for the year. I think it's 1R ish, just about 1R. With that break even yesterday, yeah, just about 1R. So yeah, it's going pretty well. Well, yeah, up 1R. Yeah, I guess I took 50% at 2R. So yeah, I'm up 1R right now. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade and trade idea from today.